Welcome terug. Guys, we are on another video. It's been a while. I'm slowly getting back into the filming, creating process. But last night I did this makeup look on my Instagram. And besides the makeup, which is actually the focus of the post, 180 of you voted for a yes, seeing how I did my hair and extensions in the bubble braids. So I went through the painful process of doing it all again. Okay, I did study hairstyling and like some tinting and coloring, but I am by no means a hairstylist. Like, I have the qualification for it, but I don't feel like hair is my niche. It doesn't excite me as much as makeup, but hairstyling does change a lot of your makeup game. It just takes a look from like to you get what I'm saying. So excuse my instructions. I'm gonna try and do this to the best of my ability as soon as someone stops doing construction next door. Thank you. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a brush. I just use this little paddle brush because I don't like brushing my hair. And I've got hiccups now. Whew, some hair ties. These are just those little elastic ones. I did take the slightly bigger one because I do have a lot of hair and it's thick, so I need something a bit stronger. You can take whichever one you need or want. Some hair clips if you want. I don't think I'm gonna need them, and just a big hair tie to separate sections. It's some of it is extensions. The bottom half is the bottom quarter or third is extensions. So if you want extensions, have extensions. With parting my hair, like even this part I suck at. Like, I'm not good at this. My hair, and that's where this comes in. Sections, like when I did it yesterday, I worked 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So I just kind of did side because I wanted to keep it same sizes. But I think for today's purpose, I am just going to do one side, then I'll speed up the other side. Someone on TikTok do it, but I can't remember who it was. I would love to give them credit, but I don't know who it was. For you page. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of my elastics and pre-stretch them. Then I'm just going to take my little brush, comb through the hair. I've got so much baby powder and dry shampoo in my hair. Okay, so after you brush through it, yes, beautiful light. Okay, I'm going to throw it to the back. You're going to start in sections. You can decide how big you want your sections to be, because if you only want a few bubbles, you're going to take bigger pieces. But if you want a lot of bubbles, you're going to section into quite a few smaller pieces. So that would be my first section. I'm not going to be very precise about this. So yeah, that's just how I'm going to do it. So first section, the hair clip actually might come handy here. Take that to the back so it's out of your way. Take it to the back. Little hair tie. And you make a little pony. These things are difficult to get out of your hair, so have fun. I think I'm gonna make bigger bubbles. Should I make ones or make smaller ones? Okay, so there's my first one, and you're just gonna pull it a little bit tighter so it's closer to your head. First pony, check it to the back, and you're just gonna section the next part. Take your hair clip to the back. Now you're taking both of these to the back, both of them. Hair tie. Make a little ponytail. can see I've got 2 ponytails. To the back, join the 2 together. Hair tie. Tie it to the back. Now I've got your... I'm heading over to my first piece of extension. I just brushed it out. Because I'm using a 4-piece clip, so I'm just rolling it up right from the side, rolling it up. So this is a 3-piece clip, my bad. Just rolling it up, and I'm going to be placing this inside this bubble over here, because this is where my natural hair is still the thickest, I'd rather say like that. Grab a hair clip or a hair tie. Grab a hair tie. Put it underneath the extensions clip. Pull all the hair through and tie. This takes a bit of time. I just don't want it to snap. Okay, so you can see it, my extension fell out. So now you have to go and just work it in there and clip it inside the bubble. So now I've got a few extra centimeters in length. You can see, you're just gonna have to work at hiding these in there pretty well. Hold these, put them inside the hair. Try and pretend like I'm hiding them. Mush them in there. Next hair tie. And make a bubble or tie it underneath the clip once again. Then you just need to go back, make it a bit more bubble-like, and that's going to help with hiding the extensions clip.
Between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go.
I do my bubble braids. There is 100 more ways to do it, but this is how I do mine and how I place the extensions inside. You are just gonna have to work with it and position it better. I do know that if you have darker hair, this is gonna be slightly easier to hide your extensions because your extension clips are most likely gonna be dark, but my blonde extensions are all different kinds of blonde, so it looks a bit wonky, but if this is what it looks like, who's gonna care? Yes, I'm wearing pajamas. Stop judging. Thank you so much for watching. We are at the end of our video, so if you have not yet, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Maybe I should start doing more hair tutorials, because if I can do it, you can do it too. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day.